Hello friend, welcome to Bricks Embedded System tutorial. My name is Rajiv and in this tutorial we are going to learn the hardware detail of accelerometer modules available in market. So actually you will find a different type of accelerometer module in market, like this one is a 3-axis module. On most of the module you will find 6 pins for connecting wires. One will be VCC, second one will be ground, and there will be 3 connectors for X, Y, and Z axis value, and there will be one pin for self test. Similarly, I have one more module. You can see on this module also you will find 6 connector: VCC, ground, X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis, and self-test. Most of the module available in market will not have a bug stick on these connecting holes, so you can solder a bug stick on these holes and you can use it. There may be some different type of modules available in market which will again have similar type of wires, VCC, ground, and pins for output of axis value and things. Like here also you can see there is a 3.3 volt power supply, VCC and ground. Similarly, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis accelerometer value, and there are few more things which is there. Here also you can see that same module is there: VCC, ground, X, Y, Z, and there is a connector. Only 4-pin connector is there on this module. So actually what happens is, whenever we want to use these modules, these x, y, z axis value will give you the value of acceleration along these 3 axes. Like here you can see that this arrow mark is showing that this is the x axis. Similarly, this arrow mark is showing this is the y axis, and the axis perpendicular to the PCB is the z axis. So if you will keep x-axis line horizontal, the value on the X pin will be exactly 2.5 volt if you are giving 5 volt of supply on VCC ground, VCC pin. So similarly, if you will keep the y-axis arrow horizontal, the value on y-axis wire will be 2.5 volt. Now if you will change the position of x-axis, like if you can make it horizontal, vertical, the complete PCB will keep vertical, so that the x-axis direction will be towards the ground, the value of x will go down. Similarly, if you will keep the accelerometer in a way the x-axis direction is up, the value of x output will be high. So as you will change the acceleration along any of the axis, the voltage of this pin, which is x axis pin, will change accordingly. Now it depends on what type of module or what type of accelerometer IC is there on this axis. Depending upon that IC, the change on the voltage may be different, but in most of the cases you will find that for positive x-axis it's going down, and for negative x-axis it is going up. Similarly, the voltage of this pin will change as you will change the acceleration along the y-axis. Similarly for Z also. Now there is a pin called self-test. Actually, this pin is used to check the value of the accelerometer which is there inside this IC. So if you will give a power supply on this pin, the value of all these 3 axes will vibrate. Now if in general, whenever we don't want to use uh, this feature, just leave it free. So do not connect anything to the ST, just leave it free, and you can use only these 5 wires: VCC, ground, X axis value, Y axis value, and Z axis value. Now while connecting on microcontroller, we can connect it to the pins which is having features of analog to digital converter, and we can read those value, the voltages output of these 3 pins through ADC. And we need some mathematics to convert those numbers into acceleration, and we can use those values for our purpose. So Here I have one module. This is exactly similar to the image which I have shown you. Here you can see there are four wires, five wires. VCC is on this side, ground is on this side, and central three pins are for x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis output. There is no self-test wire on this module. On the other side, you can see that x-axis direction is this direction, y-axis direction is this direction, and this perpendicular direction is the z-axis. So again, if I want to use this, just need to connect the x-axis, y-axis, and these three pins will get connected to the ADC of microcontroller, and by writing some simple code we can read the value or we can use the value for some applications. So that's all for accelerometer. We will know detail of programming in further tutorial. So please keep watching our tutorials to learn more about embedded system. Thank you.